We've got a limited time live only coupon. I've got $14 off right now. This is a liquidation sale. What that means is once it's sold out, there's no restock. This is your last opportunity to get these before these sell out. We sold 1,200 of these off of QVC the other day in one day. And then QVC's done, that's it. No more Ninja Coffee, no more single serves from QVC. We still have a few left here on HSN. We've got stone color like the one that I have, and then we have the black one. So, but once it sells out, that's it, we're done.